Welcome to the quiz channel. Get ready for Prophet Quiz. Let's go. How many prophet names are mentioned in Quran? "25. After Prophet Adam, which son of his was granted prophethood? Shia-Islam. Where is the blessed grave of Prophet Adam? Najaf. Which prophet among them did Allah raise to the heavens? Idris alayhi salam. Which prophet had sand turned into flour for him? Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet spent numerous years confined in jail? Yusuf alayhi salam. Which prophet was chosen to deliver a message to the people of the wood? Shu'aib alayhi salam. Which prophet came into the world without a father? Isa alayhi salam. Who was the first person to be killed in the world? Habil. Which prophet was appointed to the people of Ad? Hud alayhi salam. Who was the first prophet to write by using a pen? Idris alayhi salam. By whom was the Kaaba constructed? Ibrahim alayhi salam. In which element is Hazrat Khizar alayhi salam believed to reside? Water. To which prophet did Allah grant the ability to communicate with animals? Sulaiman alayhi salam. Which prophet is connected to the miracle of the camel? Saleh alayhi salam. Which prophet was granted the ability to interpret dreams? Yusuf alayhi salam. Which prophet held the position of both a king and a messenger? Sulaiman alayhi salam. Who was Musa alayhi salam companion? Khizar alayhi salam. Who was engulfed by a whale? Yunus alayhi salam. Which prophet had the ability to transform his staff into a snake? Musa alayhi salam. Who is the prophet that follows the appearance of Imam Mahdi? Isa alayhi salam. Feel free to comment below with the number you achieve.